OnePlus has just updated their T-series lineup, but when I saw the specs of the new OnePlus 13T, my heart sank. No ultra-wide lens, no wireless charging, no ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and USB 2.0? Really? Even the IP65 rating feels like a letdown. But then I noticed the price. $100 cheaper than the Xiaomi 15. Suddenly, things didn't seem so bad. With a sleek design, a top-tier processor, and a 6,000 mAh battery packed into a compact body, maybe this phone has its charms after all. If you're thinking of pre-ordering this affordable Snapdragon 8 Elite compact phone, check the link below. Now let's dive deeper. First impressions? The OnePlus 13T feels, familiar. It's got the Xiaomi 15's hand feel, the Oppo Find X8's software vibe, and even a hint of iPhone 16 from the back. Throw in a thicker bottom bezel a la Vivo X200 Pro Mini, and it's a mashup of designs. But here's the twist. The build quality is solid. Frosted aluminum frame, frosted glass back. It punches above its price tag. The smaller camera module? Practical. Left or right-handed, it stays out of the way. Still, compared to rivals, the 13T feels like a downsized Ace 5 Pro. If you're not obsessed with compact phones, the Ace might be the smarter buy. Performance and gaming OnePlus markets the T-series for raw power, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers. But here's a hot take. A Dimensity 9400 Plus could have cut cost without sacrificing much. That said, the 8 Elite here is impressive. At a pop-up event, OnePlus hosted an outdoor gaming tournament under the midday sun, and the 13T held up flawlessly. Smooth frame rates, shockingly low temps, and gaming perks like bypass charging and AI controls. This might be the best 6.3-inch gaming phone right now. Just wish the UI wasn't half in Chinese. Battery and charging practical tone 80-watt charging gets you to 28% in 10 minutes, 82% in 30. Full charge? 52 minutes. Not the fastest, but plenty for daily use. And that 6,060 mAh battery? Silicon carbon tech lets this compact phone outlast most flagships. Light users, you'll easily sail through a day. Display the specs. Near flagship. A TMA panel with 1,600 night peak brightness, 2,160 Hz PWM dimming, plus DC option. But the fingerprint sensor sits awkwardly low, and the thick bottom bezel feels dated, especially next to the ultra-slim Oppo Find X8s. A missed opportunity. Two cameras, a 24mm main and a 49mm telephoto. Daylight shots? Decent. Night shots? Passable. Think $250 phone territory. But video? A mess. Focus hunts constantly and low-light footage is grainy. The 2x telephoto works in daylight, but no OIS means blurry nighttime shots. And no ultra-wide? Panoramas can't fix everything. Oh, and the selfie cam max is at 1080p 30fps. For $460, that's underwhelming. Look, the OnePlus 13T isn't a bad phone, it's just confusing. OnePlus could have made a killer compact flagship. Instead, they cut corners in weird places, cough USB 2.0 cough, while nailing the basics, performance, battery life, and that premium feel. If you're after a small phone with beastly specs and don't care about cameras or wireless charging, this might be your jam. But if you're like me and want everything in a tiny package, well, maybe wait for the Xiaomi 15 to drop in price or check out the Zenfone 11. What do you think? Team big battery, who needs cameras? Or team give me it all or give me nothing? Let's argue in the comments. And hey, if you do grab the 13 terabytes, hit me up with your real-world impressions. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this brutally honest take. Catch you in the next one.